World Health Organization says the Omicron coronavirus variant is now detected in about 24 countries, including the United States. 5 states have confirmed cases of the variant. That number is expected to grow. Health officials are urging people to stay calm because there are only a few cases at this time, only a handful in each of the reporting states and countries. And we don't know a lot about the strain. We might not know anything for weeks. Allison Harris is live at the White House with more. So, Allison, the Biden administration is again saying to stay calm, but they are pulling out all the stops on this latest plan.
Right. That's been the president's message all along so far, Adrienne, is to push for concern and not panic, even as the administration is working on this long list of new actions to take to confront this variant. This morning, there are scientists in South Africa who say this new variant is 3 times more transmissible than the Delta variant, but we still don't know the severity of Omicron. This morning, cases multiply. Omicron detected in California, in both San Francisco and Los Angeles, in Minnesota, Colorado, Hawaii, and in 5 people in New York, announced by the governor.
We do anticipate there'll be more cases. This is not cause for alarm.
New York City health officials calling it community spread, even as there are still only a handful of cases in the country. The case in Minnesota is a man who was vaccinated and boosted and attended an anime convention at the Javits Center in New York City, November 19th through the 21st. He developed mild symptoms the following day and has since recovered. Scientists fear Omicron is more transmissible, but the world will wait at least another week, closer to Christmas, for the scientific evidence of just how dangerous this variant is. So far, many who have Omicron report mild symptoms.
We're going to fight this variant with science and speed, not chaos and confusion.
President Biden leaving no confusion that he doesn't want to use lockdowns to stall this variant. Instead, leaning on testing, making at-home rapid tests reimbursable through insurance by the end of January, and getting pharmacies on board to tell millions of Americans the time is now to get boosted. And a new travel rule requiring international travelers entering the U.S. to test negative within 24 hours of takeoff. That could go into effect as soon as next week, as mask mandates for flights and public transportation extend to March. As of this morning, 40 million Americans have gotten their booster shots. Dr. Fauci and the president telling Americans not to wait to get boosted. Adrienne?
All right, Allison, thank you so much. And as Allison mentioned, the Biden administration does plan to reimburse Americans for those at-home COVID-19 tests, but we wanted to look at how much the tests actually cost. Nick Smith is at our NewsNation Smart Board. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.